This episode of WickWired is brought to you by generous support from X101 Always Classic.
We're here in the 1890 house kitchen. This is where the Wickwire's Irish servant, Margaret Stack, made all of the family's meals from 1904 to 1911. Margaret started a recipe book while she lived here, and wrote down some of the recipes Ardell Wickwire taught her. I'm going to show you how to make 2 of these recipes. To make blueberry currants, you will need 2 ounces of blueberries, 2 ounces of sugar, and a pinch of ground cloves, cinnamon, and allspice. Then, transfer the mixture into a saucepan and stir over medium heat for 10 minutes. To make Ardell's muffins, you will need 1 egg, half a tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, 8 tablespoons of baking soda, and some salt. Then, evenly distribute your mixture into a muffin tin and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes or until the muffins are golden brown. Enjoy Margaret Stack's recipes. We think they're grade A.